Good morning, trading world. It is December 20th, 2022, 8:42 a.m. on the East Coast, and this is my pre-market outlook and technical analysis for day trading the markets. This week we're kind of taking it easy, not doing a lot, and really not doing a lot during the trading day as well, which kind of hints to why the pre-market outlook is lighter than usual in those scenarios. The title for today's outlook is after leftover lag from Fridays takes over Monday, can we see a turnaround Tuesday? What's funny is everything that I was looking to happen Friday happened after hours Monday. I would still like to see a drop down around 374 during the cash session before thinking of any kind of small long position. But this could be the first temporary low that may see a matching or breakthrough low on a near primary expiration. Again, the best plan is to go wrap gifts until we see extremes of 375 to 365 on the low side or 390 to 400 on the top side. Now, there is a powerful dead cat bounce building which could blow up 5 to 10 SPY points easily, so be careful. We could test we could test overnight lows early in the day, then see a nice grinding move up the latter part of the day. Let's bring up the key levels to watch for. Just to kind of go back, before I bring up the key levels of today, just to kind of go back and look at highlights of Friday and what happened overnight Monday. As you can see here, we got the test down, but what I was looking for to happen on Friday was a much more prominent V-shaped bottom, which would have looked something like this, and then the up move here into the close on Friday. That no doubt would have gotten me to come out and kind of put on some longs or even sell some premium, but it didn't happen. However, as you can see, during the overnight session, we got that very move that I was looking for. It doesn't have that same feel for me that gives me confidence in coming out and trying to get long, especially in anything big or in any kind of size. But if we get a revisit back down here, say at some point today, I wouldn't mind stepping out and trying a long or selling some premium here at this level, especially if we can get VIX to pick up above 23.5, 24. I definitely wouldn't mind coming out and selling some premium and trying to get long at this point. But it would definitely have to be with a short leash because I just don't trust the market right now. I don't trust how things are coming out, how things are happening. It's not a good feel for me, and that's the reason why I say the best plan that you could have this week is to go wrap gifts. Save the time, save the effort, save the money. Don't risk it. All right. Let me get back to the key levels of today. All right, here we are back with the key levels for today. Starting on the resistance side, we have our jack resistance at the 380 to the 381 area. Queen resistance is going to be 382 to the 385 area. And then king resistance is going to be 386 to the 392 area. On the support side, jack support is 378 to the 377 area. Queen support is 376 to the 374 area. And then king support is 373 to the 368 area. The main thesis for today is bullish, closing above the 380.02 with a projected target high of between 380 and 390. The alternate thesis is bearish, closing below the 380.02 with a projected target low of between 379 and 373. The current major channel we are in is 397 down to 379, and we're playing right on the edge of that lower channel at 379. The major channel below is 379 down to 364. We do have harmony between the technical side, which is bullish, and the quant side, which is also bullish. Market strength and breadth jumped up at the open, then fell for much of the day before rising into the close. I'm looking for strength and breadth to kind of rise again, this time much more evenly throughout the day, giving us kind of a lift and pickup in kind of a grindy uptrend of a range day, hitting resistance, dropping back, and then trying diligently to overtake each resistance area that's met. So that's what I see happening today. Again, be very careful because we could test overnight lows early in the day, then see pretty much grinding move up the latter part of the day. And I didn't draw scenarios, but if we're looking at something that could happen or play out like this, to see kind of lows kind of retest the lows of the overnight session before kind of pumping up and getting a decent up move, grindy type up move for the day. That's kind of how I see things playing out. So again, I hope this helps, kind of taking it easy the week before Christmas, not wanting to risk a lot. And this is kind of my way of saying you shouldn't either. There's no reason to put a lot in. There's a lot of tax law selling that went on over the last couple of days. Not sure whether all of that is out. So it's just really no reason to want to risk money until we see an extreme. And true to form, like I always say, your most important job as a trader is to protect the capital that you already have. We do this by knowing and understanding risk. And sometimes that risk is knowing when to sit on your hands and just when to get up from the computer in general. And knowing that and understanding your risk, and then we manage that in accordance to your account size. So that's it. That's the pre-market for today. I hope this helps. As always, wishing you a positive trading day. And as the holidays begin, I want to wish everyone happy holidays. Make it a great trading day.